Okay, so with the previous collision experiment, there was a little problem. So I have these little magnets. They're pretty small. I had one, so I have one small one over here, and then I had one small one over here. Because now I have attached 3 of them next to each other, but there was only one in the previous video. And the problem was that it was very difficult to transfer all of the energy. I had to make sure that they were perfectly aligned like this, because if this one is a little bit to that side, what would happen is it would go, and then it would, go like this a little bit. Oh, come on. So it would push like that, but it would also go a bit like this, which means that not all of its energy was transferred. So what I've done is I've glued 3 of them next to each other. So now when it collides with this one, this magnet is closed in by these 3 magnets. This is one magnetic field. Imagine 3 lines coming out like that, pushing this one magnet completely away, which will be a lot more effective than just one magnet over here. So now I'm pretty sure that all of the energy will be transferred. So let me give you an example. Let's look from the top. Well, let's do it a little bit faster. There we go. So now this car is going in an almost perfectly straight line. And this one too. There's no more, it doesn't bounce off. But I gotta admit, I've done some tests, and still this one is coming out with half the velocity. There is no 2/3 at all. But actually it still changes, because yesterday it came out with 1.75 times slower. And now today it's coming out with 2 times slower. So I have no clue what the fuck is happening. But I always get different results, so let's see. Oh yeah, I gotta hold this one, because now it's still recording. Alright, so reset again. Let me see if I can do this. So reading 1584, so 2 times as slow should be around 3000. Yeah, it's even slower. It came out even slower than half the velocity. Next attempt, reset. 1587, so again around 3000. It's a lot more. It's way slower than half the velocity. I don't know. Well, of course, the track creates friction. One more test. 1272, so it should be around 24, 25. See, 24, 25. So this one is pretty much half the speed. The 2 mass came out with half the speed. So yeah, even with photo gates, and yeah. So next time I will be trying to design the air track to really make sure that there is absolutely no friction, because this track still provides friction. And these are toy cars. So yeah, these are the results.